Okay, so got an issue. Um, as I was editing this, I will show you guys. Um, I'm gonna show you guys something. So, this music literally is what I'm feeling right now. As you can see here, we got everything. Hold on, I'll move my camera really quick. I got everything. You know, had all this. And then this happened. The reason this is time lapse so much for half the video is because for some reason the audio didn't record. So I do apologize for that. But I did what I could. I time lapsed. I literally did everything that I could. There was nothing else I could do here. So, unfortunately, I don't have my outro. I don't have my intro. I have nothing. So this will be the intro.
Shot of this. Well, not first person, but
yeah, this is my life in a nutshell. But I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. I did spend about 4 hours halfway through, or partway through. I basically built a PC and then realized that that case back there, that's my old case. That's my old Asus TUF Gaming GT301 is not compatible with Aura Sync. I mean, it could be if it had the right controller in it, but it didn't. This case, the one I ended up using, the Cooler Master Masterbox MB500. I'll put it up on screen here. But this is the case I ended up going with, and there was nothing else I could do because this one had the splitter, so I could put all 3 fans in there, hook it up and stuff. I literally spent 5 hours building this PC because the first 3 hours were building the PC, and then I had to take it all apart and rebuild it into the new case. So that took a long time. Drained me for quite a bit. So I didn't even record most of it because I said just cut it. I need to rebuild it. So yeah. Like I said, hope you guys enjoy. Yeah. Also, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, because I will be putting out more videos now that I have this beast of a rig. This is like 3,000 Canadian dollars, man. This monitor, I didn't even mention this monitor, but I had just a 1080 monitor, actually. That guy right there. That's a ViewSonic. Bought it for 50 bucks 3 years ago from a pawn shop. Used it for so long. Now I have a, I know it's not TUF Gaming. Oh, I don't have a TUF Gaming rig. Cooler Masters, it's TUF Gaming branded. I don't have, it was an extra 100 bucks for less features than this has. This has a USB dock. This has 1440p, 165 hertz. It'd be fine. But it just, the other one just claimed to have stuff that it wasn't supposed to have. So this is the monitor I end up going with. I'll put this one on screen. And oh, Rosie, come say hi. Oh, that's my puppy. We just got her. She's like, what, 3 months old now? It's gonna be 3.5. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys. I do appreciate you guys clicking on this one. I know it's kind of long of an intro, but I just had to explain why there's going to be no audio. There's just going to be music. Hello, my child. Hello. Hi. She just woke up from her nap. Alright guys. Enjoy the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Okay, Rosie. Dad's gotta do this. Oh, I'm not looking forward to this. Oh, okay. Wait, do I need to be back here? Oh yeah, I do. I did take a bunch of power supply. For a second, I was like, wait. Got some tough gaming 3600. I got 16 gigs of it. The only issue is that the latency is this thing is 19, so it's not very good. We got the Ryzen 5600X. Can't really see it on there.
So this is the 5600X, as you can see here. This is freaking dope. I'm happy about it. We got the tough gaming is 3600. It's a 16 gig kit, but as you can see, it's the CL19, so it's gonna be a little stupid latency issues. We got in this build, so this is like the past build that I've been working on. So we got a 1 terabyte M.2 in here. It's crucial. It's the P2 one. That was really nice. We got the 3060 Ti, thanks to that guy. And then I got my 10400 in there. We got 2 HyperX. I think they're both each 8 gigs. And then we have in the back here, we got a 1 terabyte hard drive and a 2 terabyte hard drive. So I'm working on getting the drives worked out, but yeah, so what we will do is we're going to put this here. We're going to pull out a lot of bubbles. So this is we got a power supply from Seasonic. I heard a lot of good things about their power supplies, and this one's 80 plus gold, which is actually pretty nice instead of being a bronze. And then we got 850 watts because I'm using the 3060 with the 5600, and I just wanted to have enough just in case it overloads and for upgradability later on. And then we got the I love this thing. The BFI 50 Plus Wi-Fi from Tough Gaming. Don't know how well DTS works. I usually use Dolby Access instead of DTS, just because it has kind of more options. I'll record that later and show you guys some examples. And it has Aura Sync. My current motherboard doesn't have this, and this case has 3 fans. I know it's dirty. It was on the floor. It has three fans in the front and 1 in the back, but the 3 in the front are all RGB, but they don't have, or they're supposed to be Aura Sync, but the motherboard doesn't have it. Something from MSI, I believe. I think is what the one I have. So that motherboard is actually going to her, and the processor and the RAM are also probably going to go with her. I'm keeping the Tough Gaming. I want to have a full Tough Gaming build because this is the GT301, and obviously the Tough Gaming 3060 Ti, as well as, you know, now I have the motherboard and we got the RAM. So I'm hoping to completely make it that way. So I will take out the hard drives and then we will continue. Oh wait, I'm gonna take out the hard drives in the back. Wait, no, I don't have to take out the hard drives, do I? No, I just have to take out the SATAs. Okay, so the only issue here is... Oh, I don't want to take out this kit. I want to take out the graphics card. Why couldn't PC building be a little bit easier? This is not gonna work very well, is it? Oh, I'm gonna move this over here. Gonna put those up there. No, there's not. Okay, I'm not gonna do what I did to your dad's motherboard. I accidentally snapped that one. And have a... Oh, look at that beauty. Look at this. Look at her. She's gorgeous. I like the steel of it. Like, it's very sturdy, and it's not like we got a little bit of RGB. Not a lot. Kind of disappointed with how much there was, but like, look at this heatsink. This is crazy. This thing, like, his. Okay, so he's got a 1660 Super, and I have the 3060 Ti. We both have been like crypto mining for a little bit, and we were trying it out, and his was going up to like, what was it, like, I think it was 70 something degrees or something like that. Her build I had trying to mine it as well, and that was also doing that. This one was doing like 57, so yeah, there's that. All right, so let's just unplug everything. Oh god, I don't like how this bends. Why is this bending like this? Ah! It's not working. Oh god, that was stuck on there. What the hell? What is this? Oh, this is the RGB. Oh, okay. Yeah, because this needs the freaking thing, but it's not like working properly, which is kind of annoying. Let's unplug the USB. And it's there. Okay, let's unplug that. Oh god. Stupid SATA. Ah! Ow! You laughing at me? Didn't think so.
I exhaled through my nose at you.
You exhaled through your nose?
Oh, fuck this game. Seriously.
Did you die again?
Yeah, well, this time was because one
Oh
of
my
the
God.
enemies is called Defeated Wrath,
Okay.
and basically releases gases that apparently paralyze.
Well, that's not cool. Oh, I got a light here. Oh, there's a second CPU fan. Oh, that's a pump fan. That's what that is. I guess that's also what they call optional. Oh my god. This is so... Okay. That sounded kind of sus. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Oh.
What?
Oh, I do actually need that small ratchet thing. You have a smaller bit than that? I need to take out my M.2. I'm gonna throw the box over here. Yeet. Here, have some bubbles.
Bubbles! It's like a bubble scarf.
Well, we're not popping it. No, we're not popping them. I don't trust you with those. It's gonna scare Rosie. I don't think Rosie's been around that kind of stuff, so. Oh my god. No, I can keep it all routed. Wait, what is this?
Alright, 1 year ago, you get a bunch of bits to select from.
Got a bunch of bits to select from.
Roll it.
Ah, thank you for the bits. Alexi missed. Okay, so we are going to... Oh, hello. Hello, pupper. You gonna help, Dad? Oh, God. Do we already have one? Oh, God. Well, there's one of them that standoff's gonna have to... Can you not? Kate, no!
Leave it.
The last thing I need is something to... Yeah. Oh my god. And you know what? I think these standoffs are from the Acer standoffs.
You just need this to be covered.
Yeah, and I could get in trouble for that. Google's gonna smack me in the head. Well, no, I would get in trouble from that though.
Anything?
Oh god. I should have really invested in those gloves. there was gloves with like flashlights on the ends of them that I saw from Random Frank P. I'll put it here. Well, no, I suppose they're just basically meant for building PCs. Okay, well that one's out, that one's out. What's not out? Oh, that one. So the standoffs seem to have come off. Yeah, she's like learned to put her toys away, which is kind of crazy. Yeah, that is true. Okay, hey Alex. 1, 2, 3. Battery? What's the flashing light saying? On the bottom. Well, that's probably why. Or actually probably lack of audio. Yeah, if the audio's nothing's playing, that's gonna turn itself off so that it doesn't. Mine does that too. No, it just means they finally shut up for once. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna need your help with those 3 to take the standoffs. Yeah, I mean, basically that entire build's going to Natasha, but I want to take those standoffs. I mean, I guess I could screw that in entirely with the build, right? I don't have to take out the CPU. The RAM, actually, wait, hold on. I don't think I actually need to take these off because it's just going to be screwing into that case anyways. But if it has standoffs, then I probably would like to use those rather than these, so. I will put this down here for you to work on. Just keep in mind that it's down there. So, we shall get, okay, this is the crucial. We're gonna have all these screws. I have a really bad setup for the camera, but it's fine. I'll deal with it. Okay, so we every time will open the books. Do they have a freaking tape on the thing? They do. Okay. Alrighty, Cease.
Rosie up. Ow! Oh, toss her monkey. There you go.
Why is this not happening? There we go. Cool. That's done. I'm gonna put this over here. Hopefully no kids or puppies knock it over. Okay, so we got our whatever QR code something there. We got our cables up here, I believe. What is this? Gonna pop that. Open! Open! Okay, cool. Oh. Alright, what do we got here? We got oh, this is the antenna. This is the one that goes up top. That's cool. Oh, does it say there's in there too? No, there's not. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. This is a bit. Oh, it's a bit hefty. Ah! That what? So you wonder why the guys were so quiet when it was actually just. You knew mind grabbing that? Just the bag, just the bag. Oh. So, you can go to 128 gigabytes of RAM. This is obviously the AM4 chipset. I'm gonna have a cover for the...
She brought it to the room.
And then we're gonna have the M.2. We're gonna have one there. I'm eventually gonna buy one for here. And yeah, so then I should have better audio with this. Apparently this is supposed to be like DTS, like I said earlier. We got, what do we have up back here? We've got two, looks like USB 2s up here. We got two USB 3s, another two USB 3s, a 3.2 I believe, and a USB-C. Why is this not focusing? Then we got obviously your, if you have an iGPU, which this AMD doesn't. And then we got the Ethernet. And finally, I can buy a soundbar and use that and stuff. So now I gotta put this in there. That's yeah. Okay. So I was incorrect. I didn't realize that the top two are yes USB 3. However, the third one is a BIOS flashback so that I can go back and such like that. So. Shot of this, well, not first person, but see, Ryzen 5600X. Why aren't you coming out?
I already did.
Okay, you gay motherfucker. I can say that she's my girlfriend. It's okay. She's not actually gay. Just like a third.
Like, kind
Just
of.
just a third.
Well, no, you.
Oh, you get a little sticker. Oh, look at that, 5000 series.
It fluctuates. Because technically it's like not an actual percentage.
What else fluctuates, Alex? Your. Oh, I hate laughing at that. I thought you were. Stop. Oh no, I spent $250. I definitely didn't spend $1,200 on this entire build. Actually, $1,200 and then plus $500 for that case. By the way, we know it's messy. We got all this stuff today, so that's why this wasn't prepared and so on and so forth. And have a nice day. All right. Okay, so, haha. All right.
Queso?
No, stop it. Stop that. Get some. Where the feck is the screwdriver? Is it on my butt? I don't think so. Where the hell's the screwdriver? I don't know where we are going to put the spa inside. I don't have an assistant, so I shall be doing this all one-handed. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, this is upside down. For those of you who don't know, there's this little. Oh, there it is. See the little triangle? Little triangle. Put the little triangle on this motherboard is where that arrow is. So, oh, it's gonna be facing the wrong way. Okay, let's do this. How do I? Oh wait. Oh, that's the thing. Oh, I thought there would be a cover on it. There's no cover. That's kind of weird. Okay, so that goes. Oh yeah, and then also, so there's that arrow, and then there's that arrow.
After all this time, Janice messages me, "Hey, you still have a job?"
What? Wait, what?
Okay, I'm terrified of ever bending pins. So.
I'm not gonna even acknowledge it.
Okay, there we go. So we got the. Oh, look at that beauty! Look at her! Look at that!
The fact he would go to you
Look at that!
and be asking.
Okay, so drugs.
You're the stable one.
Well,
What the heck was that?
That was the dog. So you might want to go check on her. Do I put it under this drive or this one?
No.
Natasha!
Gosh darn it.
No. You can't blame anybody but yourself for that.
I didn't.
Do that. On here, we have our PSU. So we have our motherboard here, and that's this one. We got our CPU and then our graphics card. We have secondary for the graphics cards for the ones, and then we got our SATAs and our peripherals, our Molex, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to plug all these in. There we go. All right, so we have the SATAs and the so we have one SATA for all the drives. We got these two that'll be for the RGB, as you can see here, and if I ever get another one down the road. We have the motherboard and we have the CPU and the GPU. So now we shall think we should be good now. So now I will put the power supply in, and yeah, we'll get that started. Just 3, 2, 1, boom.
Okay, and yeah, I didn't get to get a good shot because I don't really have a spot to do the whole fancy production thingy. You know what I mean. Anyways, I spent about there's about $3,000 sitting on my desk right now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. All the music will be, well, the site that I get it from. I use Hair as Hell as Street Beats. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more. And I will see you guys in the next video. It should be soon. Like, maybe tomorrow or today or I don't know. See ya.